Okay, thanks for coming out. I'm going to go over this pretty quickly. The benefits of taking a research course. It is a research-oriented course. This was part of an hours grant by the online university, and now anyone can take it. But all of these answers are correct. Strong letters of recommendation. The class is smaller than usual. Better understanding of research and the application of methods to your particular career goals and interests. So we're not just going to do national security, but how does this also, this kind of big data, artificial intelligence, affect law, diplomacy, etc. The second thing is to ease students into big data every course. If you take me with anything statistics, the deep end of variable is consumption. Ice cream is actually such a great data set. I even teach my kids with this. So if you took me before, nothing new here for you. That's perfectly fine. But for a lot of people, I want them to begin with ice cream, whether you like it or not. So to understand big data, remember this is all that big data, artificial intelligence, national security, use ice cream and consumption. Now, don't forget, consumption and price produce a negative correlation. Now, this could be anything, right? This could be the consumption of oil, which is going on right now, and the price. It begins to create a negative correlation. Is this statistically significant? That's what you'll decide when you run it. Remember, anything lower than 0.05 with the p-value is considered statistically significant. In business, they also often use 1.0, which is a little easier to get. 0.05 is very difficult. The next one here, the goal of the package, Plotly. Now, this is great, even if you don't like this class or anything about it. Remember, try to make your own graphs. You know, students usually just copy and paste a graph, etc. If you're an honest student, if you want to go to law school, do national security, you can create your own graphs, very nice graphs we're going to learn with Plotly. It's very important to understand that this is an interactive ggplot2 graph, which makes beautiful interactive graphs. We are using the following for this course. Essentially, R, the statistical environment, RStudio, the user-friendly interface, which are free. Stata, SPSS, these are pretty expensive. RStudio or Python Spider, if you opt for that sometime, are free, okay? The point of big data, it is not just national security, although this class focuses on that with where we do this big gorilla data set from Columbia, where we test some theory. We're going to use other data sets. It's going to be very interesting and see how artificial intelligence is working, because it's actually artificial intelligence is drawing from this big data. So this makes the link. The reason why I wanted big data in the title, data whatever, some people said, no, call it national security and artificial intelligence. No, that would be for a lower class that I actually give. This has to do with data, so you kind of understand how data is being used with artificial intelligence, but it's used for a broad spectrum of careers such as law, with jury selection and case outcomes, which I talked about. So those are the answers. Take care, everyone, and thanks for listening.